Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best compact phone dock on the market right now. The Anlmz 3-in-1 charging station for iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. If you're someone juggling multiple Apple devices and drowning in cables, this sleek, all-in-one charging solution might just be your new best friend. This charging station is deceptively compact. It's not just a pretty face, though. Behind its clean, space-saving design lies some smart engineering that simplifies your entire charging setup. Designed specifically for Apple users, this dock wirelessly charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, all at once, using just one cable. No more searching for spare cords or juggling adapters. Let's talk charging performance. With fast charging support, it can power up your devices in just 3.5 hours. And once your phone hits 100%, it automatically switches to trickle charge mode to protect your battery from overcharging. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Remove phone cases thicker than 5mm, and make sure your phone is properly centered to avoid overheating or misalignment issues. Now, let's focus on the design. It's crafted with a special ABS material that's lightweight and durable, plus it dissipates heat efficiently. You'll also notice a soft blue LED indicator that lights up while charging, but here's the cool part. If it detects any magnetic or metal accessories, or even a credit card, it'll stop charging and turn off the light. It's a thoughtful touch that prioritizes both safety and function. And yes, that LED light is subtle enough not to disturb your sleep, making it ideal for bedside use. Compatibility-wise, the Anlmz dock supports a huge range of Apple devices. From the newest iPhone 16 series to older models like the iPhone 8, it's got you covered. It even supports Apple Watch models from Series 2 through to the latest Ultra and AirPods, as long as they have a MagSafe charging case. If your AirPods don't support MagSafe, this charger won't work for them, so double-check before buying. Inside the box, you'll get the charging station itself, an 18W adapter, a 3.3-foot USB-C cable, and a user manual. Everything you need to start charging out of the gate. No separate purchases or hidden accessories required. In real-world use, this dock performs just as promised. It's intuitive, efficient, and remarkably compact. Whether you're setting it up at your desk or your nightstand, it keeps everything neat and within reach. And for travelers, it's light enough to throw in a bag without adding bulk. To sum up, the Anlmz 3-in-1 charging station is a near-perfect companion for Apple device users looking to declutter and simplify their charging routine. Fast charging, built-in safety features, a sleek design, and wide compatibility make it a strong contender in the wireless charging space. If you're tired of the cable chaos and want a reliable all-in-one dock, this might just be the upgrade your setup needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest breakdowns of top tech. See you in the next one.